Good morning, everyone. Myself, Nimisha, and my teammate Pavitra are here to present our final year project. We are from Veltech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Sakuntala Engineering College. Our project title is Colorectal Cancer Detection based on Convolutional Neural Networks and Ranking Algorithm. What is colorectal cancer? Colorectal cancer is also known as bowel cancer, colon cancer, or rectal cancer. It is the development of cancer from the colon or rectum. Signs and symptoms may include blood in the stool, a change in bowel movement, weight loss, and fatigue. This is the image of colorectal cancer. It is located in the digestive tracts of the rectum. The objective of our project is we develop an web application powered by Amazon EC2 Linux instance to display predicted results from the SQL database. Cancer stage identification is done with the help of ranking results and is updated in MySQL database for backend services like Flask to fetch and propagate in user interface portal. Performance of the system is increased with encouraging results of initial experiments. The ultimate goal of this project is that an automated solution could potentially reduce the workload of pathologists by acting as a screening device and may reduce the subjective in diagnosis. The literature we have taken for this project is colorectal cancer detection in MRI images using image processing technique. In this paper, the key problem in the treatment of cancer is the early detection of the disease. Often, cancer is detected in its later stage when it is compromised the function of one or more vital organ systems and is widespread through the body. In this paper, the MRI images of the colorectal cancer are used to detect the area and mean value of the tumor area and distance from tumor area to other parts of the staging cancer. This research paper describes algorithms for pre-processing, clustering and segmentation of MRI images. The implementation of this clustering, segmentation and pre-processing is done with MATLAB 2005. By using this proposed methodology, the cancer is detected in its early beginning stage. So, in our proposed system, we use CNN and LSTM stimulator model using Python to identify colorectal cancer affected tumor tissues. Tissues are classified into 7 types: tumor, stroma, lympho, adipose, complex, debris, mucosa. These 7 types are used to identify the stages. According to the datasheet from cancer.net, stage of cancer is classified as 3 types: tumor, node, metastasis. Stages are classified based on similarity in multiple tissue types. Combination of these 7 types gives us the stages. This is achieved using CNN and LSTM, where CNN trains the model to predict the tumor similarities and LSTM helps in identifying. So this is block diagram of our proposed model. Here, for initially, the data is data images are collected from external sources and given as input to train the model. First, the input image is converted to grayscale images, and further segmentation and morphological filtering is performed on the image data using Python image processing. The processed image is converted to dataset after applying clustering and ranking algorithm. Extracted facial dataset is passed to a model trained using convolutional neural network with increasing epoch. Initially, we train the epoch with 1 epoch, and the accuracy will be less, so we'll be training the image with 8 epochs so that the accuracy is increased. Next, the model is trained with the help of pre-trained data stored in key value pair in MongoDB. Next, in other side, we'll be creating a web page and uploading the test real-time images in the web page. And this web page initially will fetch the image and it will convert it into a grayscale image. and it will compare the real-time image with the already trained images, and it will predict the result. It will show us the result in which stage the cancer is, and it will display it on the output.
Now, let's see the demo of the project. First, we have to open the command prompt. In this, we have to specify the path of the folder where we have stored the data. Then we have to launch subshell in virtual environment using pipenv shell. Then we need to access IP address by getting permission from Amazon EC2 by giving flash grant command. Now we got the IP address. Now we can copy the IP address which we have got in any browser to view the front-end web page. In this web page, we have provided the basic information about colorectal cancer as explained before, like what is colorectal cancer, it is also known as bowel cancer, colon cancer or rectal cancer, and its symptoms, diagnostic methods and treatment. Now we are going to load a random image where we have initially collected 5000 images and fed to the model. We can see the random image which we have loaded. Now click predict. Now we can see the predicted result. Here we provide the tissue types and the cancer stage if you are affected by the cancer, and also you can view the matching tissues. We recommend to consult the doctor if you are affected by the cancer. Then if we click on the trained data, we can see the first image of data sets of last 5 images. Here we can see the graph of visualize how cancer is displayed in this data. These are some random images that we have trained. This is the image where we have trained the model with one ePouch. Here you can see the table of trained model with 8 ePouches. We have plotted a graph loss against with the batches processed. This is a confusion matrix where we can check whether our model can be implemented for a real-time purpose. And this is our source code for our project. Now, here in this files, we have 5000 images splitted. So for example, in each file, we have 625 images as a sample images where we have given for the trained model. Similarly, in these 8 separated files, we have 625 images for the trained model. The application of our project is to reduce the workload of pathologists by acting as a screening device, and also to reduce the subjective of diagnosis. We can include our project in scanning devices for quick analysis. Thank you.